Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is Epson Workforce. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print and fax from this printer. You can also copy or scan with ADF, automatic document feeder. This printer works with Windows 10, Windows Vista, Windows 11 or Windows 8. Connection Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, and with high-speed USB cable. In terms of the printing speed for this printer, 14 print per minute for black and 7.5 for color. If you are printing two-sided, 6.5 for black and 4.5 for color. Scan resolution 1200 by 2400 dpi. Print resolution 4800 by 1200 dpi. This printer is using ink 503 or 503 extra large. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. To do this, you can connect this printer using the printer from the panel or use your mobile device. Okay, basically you need to download Epson Smart Panel. So type in Epson Smart Panel. This is Epson Smart Panel. It's already downloaded on my phone. So select enable and open it up. This is Epson Smart Panel. Now select next. You need to share your smartphone location to connect. Select next. You need to share your device location. Okay, so select. So go to permission. Okay, select location. So select allow device location. Allow. Okay, so select allow, then you go back to the Epson Smart Panel. Now once you've done that, then it will start to search for the product. So asking us now, please wait. So basically this is the Epson Smart Panel. Okay, so what you need to do is once you open up the Epson Smart Panel, you need to select plus on top of it. So once you download Epson Smart Panel, select plus on top and you will see this information. Would you like to check if your product is supported? Yes or no? No, because I know that this product you can connect it to Wi-Fi network. So what we need to do now is set up a new product or connect a product already on the Wi-Fi network. So what we are doing here is to set this printer up for the first time. Then you need to set up a new product. Okay, you need to share your Bluetooth. Select OK. Then so switch the Bluetooth on. Okay, and the next thing to do is select continue. Turn on Bluetooth on. Select turn on Bluetooth. We are able to turn the Bluetooth on, yes or no. Bluetooth cannot be enabled. Open up the setting on the screen. So we need to go to the smartphone settings. Go to the settings. Okay, and go to connections. Then switch the Bluetooth on. Okay, so the Bluetooth is on. Okay, now we need to go back to the Epson Smart Panel. Open it up. Okay, now the next thing to do is make sure the product is on. Select next. So here we go. So you find the product. You find the product WF2960. Select on it. Are you sure you want to select this product? Select yes. Do you want to set up Wi-Fi for the product? Select yes. Okay. Connect the product to your Wi-Fi wireless network. Do you want to use the network shown below? Select yes. Wi-Fi network password is required. Select next. The password is usually shown on the back of the side of a router or router's documentation. Select next. Now it may be called an encryption key or security key. Select next. Do you want to confirm the password? Select yes. Okay. Some characters are similar in shape, so make sure you enter correct one. Select next. So now we need to put the password for the Wi-Fi network. Sometimes people ask, where do you get the information? I got the information from the back of the router, so I have the information here. So what I'm going to do now is to key in the password. If we ask you to put a capital letter, you need to put a capital letter. If we ask you to put a small letter, please do the same thing. And you can also check back. Once you put the password, you can also select the I sign at the end to see information you are putting if it's correct. Okay, and once you put the information finish, okay, the next thing you need to do is need to select OK. Okay, and it will show you, do you want to connect the printer to the Wi-Fi? Select yes. Okay, so now wait until the product Wi-Fi setting is complete. You can see 1%, 2%. Is progressing 20%. You can see 100%. Wi-Fi setup is complete and smartphone and the product is connected. Once you see this image, we'll show you, okay, thumbs up and show you that the printer is connected. Select next. Here we go. So now this is the printer here and the ink level. So open it up. It will show you WF2960 series. Printer is ready and this is the ink level. Okay, so this is exactly how this works. From now you can scan, do so many things using your mobile phone. Now this printer is set up using the mobile device. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.